you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be, yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, 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 well. Still in love, so in love, still in love with me. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love with me. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna?
So I just finished getting my hair done. The blowout is amazing and I was planning to go out tonight, but I found an Iraqi restaurant right here and I feel like I have to eat that. And I don't know, maybe not go out, so we'll see. But I also don't want to waste this stunning blowout. It's bouncy and big. I also did a little root touch up, but you can't tell the difference. Like I did exactly my natural hair color. Just finished getting ready. I'm wearing a full-on brown outfit. I hope to get there early because I don't have any grip socks, so fingers crossed they sell them at the studio. So let's go. I'm so tired. Oh, Dubai. Last you guys saw, what did I do? I went to Pilates. I was so late. The traffic was insane. So I called and I moved the class, but it wasn't Reform. It was a mat Pilates. You guys, I think I'm really strong. I was not. I am not. My whole body was shaking the entire class. And every time she was gonna do something, I was like, oh, I'll be fine. I can do this one. Every single movement she had was so intense. Like I was just cramping and I couldn't believe it. Like I just felt so weak and I was like, wow. Anyways, I stayed there for a while and I had an avocado toast. I just stopped and grabbed some water on the way home. This one to drink. And then this one for my teas. So yeah, we went to, where did I go for the Pilates class? It was called Matcha Club. I think the name is weird because I assumed there was matcha there, like a good matcha spot. But they're known for paddle and they have a bunch of classes, but it was amazing. It was only like 7 girls, so it was very intimate. So I think I'm gonna have to go back there one more time because it was really nice. I really liked it. Anyways, from there, I really wanted a matcha, so I went to Koncrete. Just a really cute, a very well-known place in Dubai. It was good. I stayed there, read my book, and I planned the rest of the day. And then I got really tired because I've been up since about 5. So I thought I would take a nap before my night out and charge my phone as well. So I'm gonna shower. I just had a 2-hour nap and I could definitely sleep the rest of the evening. Jet lag has officially begun. I don't mind that because I'm not feeling great. Jet lag is a real thing. I thought I could get away with it, but I can't. I'm too tired. Also, probably that workout class today killed me. Oh my gosh, you don't understand. Wow. Okay, honestly, I don't know why I'm even recording because I highly doubt this footage will ever see the light of day, but in case it does, I thought I'd put a little snippet of an update. So I don't think I recorded anything today because I really didn't do anything today besides tan for a little. I ordered some food to the house. Anything I needed was ordered to the house except right now at like 11. I went down to the grocery store to grab stuff. I have felt sick and tired all day, like actually dead weight. I woke up this morning and I was gonna force myself to a workout and I was like, hold on, bro, you feel dead. Calm down. It's okay not to do something. Go with how you feel. And I did, and I'm really glad I did because I just feel like I got hit by a bus right now. I did order food out for lunch and then I just felt disgusting all day, so I did not feel like eating, but then I thought, I need to go to the grocery store. Let's see if I can find anything. This is what I found. First I got some tortillas because I'm gonna show you what I thought about eating. I said I'm not even hungry. This is night 2 that I was planning to go to dinner and didn't, but it is what it is. I have to go off of how I feel. I will not force myself into anything, and that's the beauty of being solo. I have no one to tend to but myself. But anyways, I went to the store for toilet paper. So I grabbed some of that, and then I picked up some coconut water because like I said, I've been feeling really just dead and dehydrated. So this better help. I picked up some strawberries because I feel like I haven't had any fruit. Yeah, I'm looking for the organic symbol, but I'm assuming everything's halal here. So I picked up 2 cucumbers. I picked up some of this cheese that I love from the Arabi store, so I thought some khiyar, some gibta, and some lahma with some chai right now, just to put something in my belly because I haven't eaten. And it's like my comfort meal with some feka. I also picked up some honey. I have no idea. Oh my gosh. Should I go back? I think I have to go back. Damn. I also saw gamad in the store. It was like already packaged gamad next to this, and I meant to grab it to have with honey in the bread. It's really like a 5-minute walk. Should I just go there really quickly? I really want gamad with my honey. Also picked up a fresh pineapple juice because I didn't see this the other day and I've been wanting some pineapple juice. Let's try it. Smells weird. Sweet, but not too sweet. Refreshing, fruity. This will be delicious in the morning. Okay, this is so funny. Right when I walked in and I grabbed the coconut water, I saw this. It was like the first thing that caught my eye in the refrigerator. And I was just staring at it, but I had turned around because there was a girl sitting next to me and I think she wanted to get in. She grabbed all of these, all of them. And I was like, oh. So I went back to see really what it was, like, and it was only one left. The only reason I was staring at it was because it says Kurkaram? Wait, Kurkaman? And I saw turmeric and lemon on it, and it says 20% lemon juice, vitamin C, B6, B12, L-glutathione, and curcumin, which is turmeric. So this shit sounds like heaven in a bottle, to be honest with you. When I tell you she took all of them, I said, what was that? I need it too. That's what I got. I grabbed a pink lighter because I bought my candle here with me. For the last few days, I haven't been able to light it. So we're gonna light it. Because it's a fresh candle, I'm not gonna light it right now because it has to be on for like 4 hours first. So, yeah. Anyways, that's my haul. I'm so tired, if I haven't already mentioned. I think I'm going to, it's really not necessary for me to go to the store again and grab the whipping cream, but also like, I want it and I'm gonna want it tomorrow. I'm not gonna want to go tomorrow, so I'm not gonna go. I changed my mind again. It was so funny. I was standing earlier on the terrace, the balcony, and my neighbors upstairs happened to be outside and I could see them, which I don't like. I love privacy. Like if I could live on full acres alone, I don't know if I would, but I just like privacy, you know? But I saw them and they started playing some good music. Like my favorite song came on. And came on. Love song came on and I was like, oh, you guys know what you're doing over there. And it was a vibe. I need you. These are delicious. If you haven't tried them, find them and try them. Okay, let's try their strawberries. I don't know if that's organic. It's not. No, there's no way. Worried about this, worried about that. There's like so many. Okay, I am debating about getting ready because it's a workout class, but I also have some errands to run after. And I could just bring all this with me, but I was trying to avoid that. I finished getting ready. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see my outfit. This is my like go-to uniform because it's so comfortable, yet I look put together. I'm wearing a jumpsuit for the workout underneath these, but I want it to be covered on the way to class. So, plus I have some errands to run after the class in the area. So I'm just gonna be ready to go. But yeah. Let's go to class. Wish me luck. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Like I said, I'm nervous, but I'm so excited. I want my core to burn. I want a six-pack coming out of this class. So, let's go. Okay, this is my outfit for dinner. I'm gonna throw on a little black coat. Got some little black heels.
مدري كيف غير لي أمري حسيت بأمان عمر الكل هسي بعمري صار بلحظة كان مدري كيف غير لي أمري حسيت بأمان عمر الكل هسي بعمري صار بلحظة كان كلمة وصل قلبي بكلمة نار نار، بسمي عبسمي قلبي احتار، نساني اسمي بدري كيف وين. كلمة وصل قلبي بكلمة نار نار، بسمي عبسمي قلبي احتار، نساني اسمي مدري كيف وين. مدري كيف وين، مدري كيف وين، مدري كيف